Hello everyone, today we all are here for our first kickoff meeting for our new project ride sharing application. The agenda for this meeting is to discuss about the project overview, objective of the project, project schedule, project team members and their responsibilities, project deliverables and acceptance criteria, and in the end we will discuss about the exclusions, constraints and communication plan used for this project. This ride-sharing application will help in making traveling easier and cheaper. It will also help in reducing the time and effort to commute. The end users of this application will be the riders, and everyone will be able to use this application. This application will also help in saving a lot of time and money spent on traveling. The objective of this project will be the creation of the ride-sharing application, the increasing in the market share, introducing more application, and the application making the application more efficient and flawless. Here is our project schedule. Our project will be started in November 2017 and the final delivery of the project will be in November 2018. The application designing phase will start on 20th of November 2017 and it will be done by 15th of January 2018. After that, the development phase will start and it will start on 16th of January and it will last till 28th of July. After that, the user acceptance testing phase will start. It will start on 29th of July and it will last till 9th of September. After that, if we require one more round of user acceptance testing, it will start on September 13 and it will last till 17th of October. And the final delivery to client of this project will be November 2018. Here is our team structure. Sanjay Chawla will be our vice president, and after that, Pushpinder Miglani will be the project manager. The development phase will be done by our vice president, which is Sanjay Chawla sir. He will also be the business development manager for this project. Satyam Sinwani will be the business analyst, and two of our IT developers, Sachin and Shivam, will develop the project. After that, the coding phase will be done by Sujata and Gurleen. The testing phase will be done by Mr. Gautam and Mohit. After that, the training part will be done by Mr. Sanjay sir and Mr. Pushpinder Miglani itself. And the marketing phase will be done by our marketing manager, Mr. Gunjan Janan. Here are our deliverables and acceptance criteria. The designing of the application will be our first deliverable and it will be done before 15th of January 2018. And after this deliverable, the acceptance criteria will be the client will see the design and approve it. And the second deliverable will be the development of the application. It will be done before 28th of July 2018 and the business development managers will see the development of this application. And after that, our third deliverable will be the user acceptance testing. And it will be done before 9th of September. And after that, the acceptance will be that the final phase in which the software is given to the audience to be tested for the functionality. And in the end, our last deliverable will be the final delivery of this application in November 2018. And after that, the acceptance criteria will be the writers will easily use the application and write through this application. Here are some exclusions of this project. The first one is the business development manager will be responsible for the designing the interface of the application but not the business analyst. The second exclusion will be the application will not be used for any other purpose. This application will only be used for writing. The third exclusion will be the application will be developed as per the standards and regulations. And The last exclusion will be the riders and the drivers will be the only end users of this application. Here are some constraints for this project. The first constraint is the cost. The final cost of this project will be covered by the sponsor, and if there is any additional cost required out of the budget, this will affect the application development procedure. The second constraint will be the time, because the dates and the timeless are scheduled, and sticking to those timelines is necessary to be on the track and follow the procedure. The third constraint will be the resources. The team members involved in the project should be available. Non-availability of this project, the non-availability of these assigned persons can delay the work process, and it will delay the final delivery of the project. The last constraint will be the technical problems. Any deviation from the design and the development procedure will affect the functionality of the application. Here are the communication plan for this project. The documentation and approvals will be done by business development manager. He will be responsible for the documentation and the approvals, and he will draft the document followed by the project manager, and it will be shared via email. The second one is the project status reports. It will be shared via email, and all the team members are expected to update the reports for their respective parts. Any other question and concern will be done by the email, and it will be done by the project manager. Any other question and concern will be directly asked by the project manager via email. Thank you. Any questions and concerns?